Combining 427 cubic inches of legendary Chevrolet big block with a tough Turbo-Hydramatic 3-speed and classy black and silver aesthetics, this gruff ground pounder draws big crowds and big compliments. The beneficiary of a professional frame-off restoration that shows exceptionally well, this awesome A-body has been lovingly coated in quality DuPont Chromabase 2-stage that reflects a silky metallic silver sheen. Inside is a perfect place to cruise the day away. Seating is provided by tight factory thrones. A handsome dash found slick Dakota Digital gauges, next to modern audio and modern air conditioning. And power comes from a 427 cubic inch V8 that is bolted to a TH400 3-speed and spins 355 gears. As it sits, this Malibu offers the best of both worlds, a solid cruiser, and a unique classic that sets itself apart from virtual acres of brightly colored pony cars and overwrought land yachts. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.